Yeah, welcome back once again. Today I'm going to take you through step by step of how to install the VSPD config. My last video was how this thing can make your laptop and the software recognize a phone that you want to flash or decode. And so today I'm going to show you how to install it. It's a file that you're going to download at the link below. Go there and download it, and when you download it to your desktop. As you can see, I'm having it here already. That is the Visual Serial Port driver. It's a driver on its own. That is the COM port, and that will make your phone or your laptop recognize the laptop, and the software recognize the phone you want to flash, a dead phone, or a phone you want to Google bypass, a phone you want to decode or flash. This will help you do that. This is the COM port, and then you will get the drivers of the individual brands of the phones. We have MTK, a quad core, Spectrum, Coland. We have so many. So now what you will do is, when you download the file, put it anywhere you want to put it, unzip it. If you unzip it, and I'm going to unzip mine right now. I'm going to unzip it, meaning I'm going to have to extract it. So I can open it, pick it. There's a code. I have to put in that code. Yeah, so I'm unzipping the file, I'm extracting it to the desktop. So after that, what you do is you copy the file, then you go to your computer, my computer here, this PC. I open up. So you now go to local disk C, where your window is, your window drive is. Then you look for program file 32-bit or S86. You open up, you paste it here. I'm already having it, so you only paste. I don't want to do it double, so you only paste. I'm already having it. As you can see, it's here, Visual Serial Port driver 6.9. That's what I'm having. So after you are done pasting it here, open up the folder, right click on the VSPD config, then you do send to desktop. When you do that, it will go to desktop as a shortcut. To go there as a shortcut, as you can see, it's here as a shortcut. So what you do is you double click and it will open. Then you are done installing the VSPD. That's the Visual Serial Port driver 6.9. You finish installing it. So what you do is, after you've done that, there won't be no COM port. Like, you can delete. Already I'm having, so you can delete. The COM port is gone. So you add. So you've had 2 COM ports. That will make your phone be recognized by the PC or your laptop, and the software too, as usual. So this thing will help you a lot. So please download the file, follow the step. That is all. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that any new video that comes, you will be the first to watch. Subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you.